Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to fix Blue Protocol Star Residence crashing or not launching. Now, there are a few things that we can go ahead and do here. Of course, I have the game launched right now, but what we need to do is to make sure that our GPU is fully up to date. So go ahead and search if you are using AMD or Intel or Nvidia, and then make sure to download the latest version of the GPU driver. So right now I have the Nvidia all set right here, so I can use the Nvidia app to go ahead and take a look if there are any updates available. As you can see in the driver section, I do have one. So all you need to do is to install this, make sure to go ahead and restart your PC, and then go ahead and run the game to see if it does work. Now, another thing that we can go ahead and do is to go ahead and run the game on a different launch options. So depending on where you have downloaded it, whether it's in Steam or in Epic Games, make sure to go ahead and find the game. And then there will be an option somewhere in the properties in terms of the launch option where you can go ahead and run this with DirectX 11, which is -dx11 right here, and then save this and then run the game. If that doesn't work, you can go ahead and try DX12 or DirectX 12 instead. Now, once that you have set this up, make sure to go ahead and close Steam or Epic Games to run the game again. And there you go, the game should run. And one last final thing is, of course, if this doesn't work out, then just go ahead and fully uninstall the game and then reset your PC, install the game, and then reset your PC one more time, and then try running the game one more time. And there you go. I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.